Good morning, good morning. So give you a tour of the backyard. This is the backyard. I'm gonna cut some of those bananas and I'm gonna go get some saltfish. I'm gonna eat the entire banana before I leave. By the time my family gets here, they might be too fit. My neighbor, she was gonna fry some fish for me, so I have to get the fish. Hey, it's Rondi again. You know I'm on the journey. I like to document. It's what I do when I go on vacation in Jamaica. And this is NA's first time. I start the SaveJamaica.com movement to kind of explore Jamaica like it's never been explored before. Take, for example, this tree right here. I would say amazing NAs. Look at that. Let's take a picture of that. What do you think about that tree? I'm just kidding. Look at the homes around here. They're pretty nice, and the gates and the stuff. The pattern. This is very nice. Look at that gate. Very artistic. This is more first breakfast. We're gonna blend some fruits this morning for breakfast and juice to bring with us, right? We didn't bring any of our juice containers. Oh, there's some up here. And we're gonna make some breakfast. We're gonna make some peppermint tea. We're gonna go to the beach today. And we're gonna go get the coconuts. I just bit some coconuts off the tree. Now we're gonna get the coconuts. Oh, look at it here. That coconut. And let me cut these up. Bring these to the beach. You're Jamaican. So we don't drink coconuts with straw here. So go ahead. Put your mouth on it. Put your mouth over the hole. Lock the hole. And drink. Tastes good?
Mm-hmm. You want to taste it?
Drink more.
I can't. I'm done.
You're done?
It's heavy.
Is that why you don't want to drink more? This is the backyard, so this was Caribbean life. They got the gas, hang a towel on the wall. Look at those beautiful breakfast trees. This is just amazing. You got neighbors that are close. Oh, and what we're gonna do, because we purchased some sugar today, we will. Oh no, this is some sour orange. So I have some fish which I intend to fry. So I'm gonna take this sour orange off the tree. Can't do this in Brooklyn. Oh man, it smells so good. So then I'm gonna squeeze this on my fish. Season my fish today. What else we have back here? Oh, we have here we have some lemongrass. And another great way to some surrogacy right here. And this is cocoa, right? We have some cocoa and lemongrass for tea tomorrow morning. The real lemongrass. Let's get some of that. This is why I'm in Jamaica, to purchase land to start planting. Now, the noni tree. My aunt has one of those. Lemongrass. Now this is a June plum tree. They're pretty small. I've seen them recently. They're really small. And here we have a soursop tree. Which one?
A little white one.
Right there.
In this.
Okay. Alright. The neighbors want me to take out a little white ball out of the tree. Let's see, there's this little white ball. Yeah, right. See the white ball. It's a sweet shot.
In the is it the plum tree?
The cherry tree? You're not sure?
Yeah. We can come inside and look for it.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Wait, what they feel? Oh, look at this mango. This one is ripening. Hey, open it, Phil. So now here's the coconut tree. I picked 3 of the coconuts from that today. This is how I want my place to stay. I've learned so much since I've been down here. When you're away in the States, you don't pay attention to what real life is. So we have some tuna here to clean out the lady. We have some gungo peas soup. I mean, gungo peas soup. Then we have some panganet. In Jamaica, we call it panganet. In America, they call it pomegranate, something like that. But we call it panganet. Then she has some mint here. This is the...
Thank you, Mr. Ron.
Alright, cool. This is some mint here. Then she has some sweet sop. Right? Uncle, this is a mango tree. Looks like a mango tree. More to it, a banana. This is the lime tree, I think. And this bush here is, I don't remember the name of it. Let's see how this is a bush. My aunt and my uncle, they're farmers. I always loved this flowers when I was growing up. Now I think this is a pawpaw tree right here. Banana tree, mint, lime tree, and alright, this is just, I hope you guys enjoy the video. This is just the kind of life that I want to work for moving forward. And then you could come on vacation, you know, get the sun, drive to the beach. Now, tomorrow morning, when I was younger, about 5 or 6, I used to cut the banana from here. I used to cut the banana and cook it. And whenever we wanted to cook new saltfish, we didn't get any saltfish. So we have to get some saltfish because I could cook some of this for me and it's tomorrow morning. So we have 15 days. And the goal is to eat this whole thing for breakfast. We get some liver, we get some saltfish, and we get some maki. And you're gonna join me. Now we bought the coconuts from a guy in Pushkar today. We drive up at the market. We bought a lot of stuff at the market today. So we're here for 15 days. I want to give thanks to my auntie for making use of place. It's a beautiful, we got a Vitamix. God bless her, my auntie and my uncle. So what did we get today? Let me turn the light on. And ice is up there, take a shot. So, alright, so as you can see, we get a mango off of the tree. Right? Around the always at this help with this cover. Culture, I love culture. Me get a little thing you pump. And we get some fever grass. See the lock for the gate here? Well, if we put the lock on the gate, we soon come. Alright. Alright, so we get our breadfruit. We had curry for me. Chicken. This is my GPS phone. Use Google Maps, go anywhere. When you come to Jamaica, just ask for the name of a place. Like it said, the Charles Garden Market. And you put that in Google. You don't need addresses of buildings. Now, you'll see in the video that this bush here, I don't remember the name, very important. These are the most two important things I bought today. Alright, I'm gonna blend up my pineapple. We have mangoes, we got bun, got pawpaw, and I bought this from my aunt, my lovely aunt. She always made this for us when we were younger. She's the greatest aunt. So now we get some coconut oil, natural coconut oil. So I got some cereal. We got some more mango, got some potato for putting our soup, and we got a lot of scallion for some curry chicken. Right, scallion and thyme. Get some curry chicken and some thyme. Red plant and cook everything. We get a sweet soft pan like this. Right, good. So now we're going to have a big bag of bush for the carrot. And this is supposedly the hair of the corn, supposedly good for the men's stamina. A lot of things I've learned so far. So, what else did I get? Alright, I got a box of Busy for T-Bush, building a system. We get honey ginger, right? We get lemongrass, and my favorite is Cersei. So all of this stuff I drink when I come to Jamaica, clean up myself, go back to work again. Hopefully I can build a house like my big auntie there. No! So I have my pumpkin, my bread. I buy me. The neighbor next door have about 6 acres. She plant them sweet watermelon. No, this juice has some maroon youth make it him up on the video. Cause him have the secret him use it. In them juice I want to make. Only certain people know the secret. String beans. When you hear man use string beans in a juice, you know. So now here, my favorite. This is what me love more than anything else in the world. Me love guava. Me used to pick guava. Oh Lord, let me tell you, let me not say nothing about it. Me love guava. So, see what I get from my pot here? I get 2 potatoes, I get some pepper for free, and I get some onion. So we're going to cook up a piece of pot. We're going to live a piece of life. Now I go sleep tomorrow. I go to the beach again. We're living in Montego Bay. We have vitamins. We have slippers. We dip on vacation. We still have preserved the culture. Randy still up on the movement. Give thanks and blessing. Share it with the family and friends. Stay in health. Let me go like the gift now. Let me go like the gift. Thank you for coming on the journey. Every time I come to Jamaica, the system I walk. I love the herbs there, you say. I love the life. My recommendation phone is saving no money. Don't be like Randy. Randy's an idiot. If Randy did that show so. See, my auntie and my uncle them teach me say, boy, you waste your money. You see, I only make one of the real Jamaican, even a lot get half, like a midday, a lot.